to you today about two very important things, sleep and exercise. Lack of sleep and exercise, as we all know, is very harmful. So let's first take a look at sleep. Sleep is a non-negotiable biological necessity that provides a foundation for every aspect of your physical and mental health. When sleep is not working properly, you are not working properly. Poor sleep has been linked through many studies to show the increased risk of heart attacks, cancer, elevated blood pressure, obesity, Alzheimer's, anxiety, depression. I probably forgot something, but you get the idea how important sleep is to your overall health. The function of our immune system is tied directly to the amount and quality of sleep that we receive. There's no substitute for getting a full night's sleep. Nor is there any excuse for ignoring your body's need for sleep. While diet and exercise are vital to your health, without proper sleep, they will be of little effect. A few things to consider that could help you sleep well are a warm shower or bath shortly before bed. Maybe even put some lavender oil in the bath. Or you could spritz the lavender oil on your sheets and pillow, or even just dampen a cotton ball and stick it under your pillow with the lavender oil. Wear a sleep mask to block out light. Consider reading before bedtime rather than watching TV, using the computer or the cell phones with the lights that can affect your sleep. And lastly, consider stopping eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. I encourage you to take a few moments and evaluate your sleep habits. Are you getting a good night's sleep? If not, what's one thing you could change that could help you improve your sleep? And I would just like to end with a couple of quotes on our sleep session before I move on to the exercise portion. Homer in the Odyssey says, "There is a time for many words, and there is also a time for sleep." And the Dalai Lama says, "Sleep is the best meditation." And there is an Irish proverb that states, "A good laugh and a long sleep are the two best cures for anything." Let's take a minute now to talk about exercise. Exercise can benefit your body in many ways. One way would be to get a better night's sleep. I did not mention that in the beginning of the video when we were talking about sleep, however, because it's not something you would want to do directly before bedtime. It's something you would want to do earlier in the day because exercise also boosts your energy level. And a boosted energy level right before bed does not really mix for a good night's sleep. But exercise will boost your energy level, will give you a better night's sleep. It can improve your mood, keep your weight and your blood sugar levels down, combat chronic disease, improve your immune system, detoxify your body, and it has been shown to perk up your sex life. An experiment conducted by Dr. Robert E. Thayer involving 18 students over 12 days compared energy levels from a candy bar fix against energy levels from 10 minutes of a brisk walk. The results? The students felt greater energy levels from 20 minutes to an hour and even 2 hours after the exercise rather than from the candy. The energy level from the candy bar lasted little more than 20 minutes and dropped off fast within those 2 hours. It was found that tension and stress usually increased after the candy bar and decreased after the walk. The next time you are fatigued and you're tempted to reach for a sweet to boost your energy, why don't you take a hike? Make your exercise enjoyable and you will enjoy exercising. It doesn't take a lot, just some regular movement. Try walking, biking, swimming, dancing. Just start small and do what you can do. And I would just like to end with a few quotes as I have in some of my previous videos. Mark Halperin says, sufficient sleep, exercise, healthy food, friendship, and peace of mind are necessities, not luxuries. And it was John F. Kennedy who said, physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. And Henry David Thoreau says, an early morning walk is a blessing for the whole day. Thank you, friends, for watching today's video on exercise and sleep. And I hope you're able to glean a few tidbits to help you achieve better health and well-being. Have a great day.